Now that you have defined your Wisdom Pets newsletter list, it's time to add some names and email addresses. To get new subscribers, you have a few options. You can add a new subscriber manually if you have their permission, like if they gave you their email at a trade show, for example, and we'll show you that option in just a minute. You can create a sign-up form and put that form on your website or Facebook page for new subscribers to sign up, and we'll do this in another video. You can import a list of subscribers if they have already opted in to receive emails from you, and this is what we're going to show you now. To import a list of subscribers, you can import from a comma-separated values file, you can copy and paste from Excel, and you can also directly import from a MailChimp integrated application. It's important to understand that MailChimp will only import your list if it believes it's safe. If it can't verify that the list is safe, the import will stop. After you start sending emails, your list could be blocked if a higher than average number of subscribers click the unsubscribe or the spam buttons. If this happens, it could be a big hassle, and it's just not worth trying to use non-conforming email lists. That being said, let's take a look at how to import subscribers into our new list. As you can see, our new subscriber list is completely empty. If you have a person's permission, you can click the Add Subscribers button and add them to your list. I use this button to add myself to every list because I like to be a user tester of all the messages I send from any list. It's a great way to be sure that the messages I'm sending really show up nicely in my inbox, and I can pre-test all the links to make sure that everything's working. So now we're going to practice adding a subscriber. We're going to give the email address. We're going to select the checkbox, "This person gave me permission." When you add a subscriber like this, they will not see a confirmation email that they have been subscribed, so use this cautiously. Now, when we open the list, we'll see that we have one subscriber. Next, we're going to import a list of subscribers. We have a list saved here, and it's opened in Excel. We're going to copy and paste this list. We're going to select to add subscribers and import them. We're going to choose the copy and paste option. And we have a big box here that's asking for our subscriber details, so we'll paste the list. With this checkbox below, MailChimp is letting you know that if your list exceeds the Forever Free plan limit, you may need to upgrade. Now we'll need to match our email data to columns that we stored in our list. We'll match our first name and click Save. And we'll do the same for each of the other selections. With all of our columns matched up, we can click Next. Now you're all set to import, but MailChimp wants to know why you're doing the import. In our case, these are new subscribers that we've gathered, so we can choose the first option. If we had a more robust subscriber list and suspected that we might be importing people's names and emails that were already on our list, we could choose to auto-update the existing list. Depending on the size of the data file you're importing, the import can take a little bit of time, but this one was pretty small, so it goes really quickly. Notice you'll see all the new people added to your list. While MailChimp subscribers can be added in a few ways, two of which we've just shown you, the best way to get new subscribers is by engaging your audience and asking them to join your email list. We'll talk about ways to entice them to do that in other videos. Next, we're going to set up the integration between MailChimp and your social media accounts.